Hello guys, thanks for clicking. Don't forget to subscribe and like to support this video. Thank you.
But
But one music I'd like to talk about is Vector and Emma. We've not talked about it.
Crown of Clear.
Yeah, and I don't know why people are not. It's
People are
amazing
feeling it
music.
now.
People are not. It's not getting. That's in the trend. The trend was
It's
on
because
Twitter.
it's trending on YouTube. It trended on Twitter just that day, but
Yeah,
it's like
he didn't do enough. He didn't do enough, really.
It's the genre of music.
Yeah, it's a very good song. One thing I like about the song, and that's the only thing I'll say about the song, is that I like the way two black guys, two Africans, are beefing themselves, and they came together to end the beef by singing about something that favors Africa and blackness. Appreciate blackness and everything, because that's the bottom line. It's all about
what I got from
same
that.
thing.
What I got from that song, as in, I did recently, like when I'm looking at, like, especially MI, I would, like, I used to always tackle MI. I think in a way, maybe I would not say maybe. I believe I'm a very big fan of MI before.
Yeah.
Until something started happening. Maybe it was going through some stuff. He started tweeting rubbish back in the day.
Yeah.
Then he started, maybe some of his bars were not like living up to expectation. You get. But I noticed something, and maybe that was one of the first things that made me like MI in the beginning. Like, MI transmits like a story very well. Maybe now he's having maybe creators block, or maybe I'm not going to say maybe creators block. Maybe he's not. He's still like, these old musicians that a lot of them want to be like, no, this is the real thing. They don't want to evolve. You get. Some people are like that. This is what I want to do. This is what I like.
You mean
They
don't want to evolve, or they don't want to settle for less?
It's not setting for less. Doing commercial and evolving into modern day music.
No, because you're saying that now. Because what I get from your point is you're talking about the lyrics, right?
No, it's not. It's not. The lyrics is
And
not
the
about settling
flows.
for less. Like, what I noticed, like, okay,
Or settle for modern day, modern day, less meaningful.
not less,
Less meaningful.
No, not less
Yeah,
meaningful.
it's less meaningful. The music we're having now is
No,
less
there are
meaningful.
rappers. There are rappers now. Rappers, you can sing meaningful song and also
That's a
sing
mainstream,
about,
yeah.
You can also sing. See this early Momo Vector did now. If the song is speaking small, but the thing is, if now this whole internet and streaming this is all these old artists now. Right now, they are like upcoming artists on the stream to these young people, young audience now.
Yeah.
See, Timaya now. I was watching one of Timaya's videos on YouTube. His new song, Don Dada.
Don Dada, yeah.
That song now, the video has been on YouTube for more than 2-3 months. That video is not even up to 500k views. If that song and that video came out maybe like 8 years ago, tell me that video will not be more than 2 million views.
Yeah, but Timaya's album was not that great album, but it wasn't that big.
It wasn't that big, and it was really nice. I remember you saying
Really
that.
nice,
So,
yeah.
So a lot of all these old, even I was watching one too about video too like that, not making that a lot of views because of all these young audience you get.
Yeah.
So it's with time. Even all this is like Vector is building up all this stuff. But that one too, they will interview him. He will say he's not doing music for money. So I also see it in the way maybe like he's promoting his this thing. Like they are all these guys. They are not pushing their music like the way young artists see the video. See the way Wizkid promoted this Essence video.
I think something about rappers or Vector is he's not doing music for. No, it's not about he's not doing music for money. He's not doing music for free. You want to listen to his music, you need to pay. Stream it.
Yeah, I understand all those.
Like
I
that,
understand all those concepts. It's still the same. It's still the fact that they are still old guys. Like in the modern day, what do you call it now? Wizkid and Davido's album, they partner with YouTube. They put, if you don't, that's why they put their album on YouTube.
Yeah.
Put all your stuff on all streaming whatever. If you are scared of some areas to be free, that you will not make money for some areas or some this thing, then the publicity of your album itself will be affected.
Will be affected, true.
So at the end of the day, everything still join. Like everything helps each other at the end of the day. You get.
Yeah.
So back to the MI stuff. What I noticed from the MI this thing is like, because I've not like for like the past 2 years I've not really seen. He has been releasing some good rap songs, but my interest these days is about maybe a good rap song should have maybe like it's not always about trying to be deep, to make fun rap music. You get. So what I noticed like in that NSC Cypher, I was like, this guy can transmit like a story. Let's say like somebody comes with an idea. That's how like some music is made. Somebody come with a chorus or an idea, you get.
Yeah.
Then as a rapper, you now like rap to it. That's what I felt. I felt that in the Cypher. Like the way Vector came in with politics and all this. When MI came in, he came into with those feminist clothing, Sega level. In the Crown of Clay too, Vector came in with the old king, this is the land of the kings and all that. When MI came in, this is the land of the queens. So after that, I was not like, I think it would be good for MI to just, he's a boss, people will still respect him. Should just go and gather all these young artists there to just create a chorus for him, to just rap and just create an album. Like it will be very good.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Because those ones now, they will come with modern vibe and chorus. Then he can create a story from anything. So he will just rap to it. That would be really nice, but a lot of them, they still have these old ideas with the way rap's supposed to be. See Flavor's interview with Ebuka, where Ebuka, because when I first listened to that Flavor's interview, I was like, what is this? Why is this guy not evolving? Then when I listened to his interview, then I understood why he did it. He said he wants to keep to his high life, that the genre is not like blowing.
Yeah.
That he wants to stick to it and encourage other people. That is like our African stuff that we should not throw it away. I was like, well, he has a point also, but if it also shows that some artists are contented with what they have, you get. Unlike guys like Whiskey, Davido, and Burna Boy, that they always want to. That's the energy that those ones have. They have those the Drake energy that they always want to. What is popping?
Yeah, so, true. And whichever way they decide is, I mean, if it works for them, good. But that Crown of Clay, I believe, I still think that the verses was not enough. I would have liked Vector coming in, MI coming in, Vector coming in, MI coming in again. The song was not enough for me. It was not enough.
It was perfect.
It was not enough for me.
I just want something new from them. Like that song, I won't say the song was a nice song, but the song felt nostalgic. Like I've heard that kind of thing before. Even the beat felt like a John Legend, Kanye West beat. It felt like a Kanye West song, like an old Kanye West song when Kanye West was like really crazy.
But it's kind of it's something that's needed now, because if you're singing about blackness and Africanism, it makes more sense, or if people get that same feeling. Like I would say Burna Boy now, he's been doing that for a long time now. Let's not talk about Burna Boy, but I just mentioned Burna Boy. He's been doing that, talking about blackness, Mongo Park and African and everything.
Talking about Fela.
And we've seen what
Activism, please don't bring Burna Boy into.
No, it's not about activism, it's about recognition.
Singing about activism and all this stuff.
No, I'm not talking about activism, it's recognition and recognition.
It's fake recognition.
Fake recognition. Alright, well, let's talk about something else.
So let's talk about Essence. Have you seen the video?
Hello guys, thanks for clicking. Don't forget to subscribe and like to support this video. Thank you.